don't think like you.
Exactly.
And they don't know, like, that's a lesson. I would have took it as a lesson, like, I'm not going to be like that. I hate that man. So when I have kids, I'm going to be the opposite. But some people don't think like that. And I'm like, how?
Can I slip something in?
Everybody don't mature.
Y'all all saying the key word, and we overlook words so much. Biological, like that's your biological father. Meaning, some way, somehow, nature will bond you all. And if it ties all into the question of how do you fix it. People having sex with people they're not attracted to. They're having sex with people they want to sleep with. So, I mean, we hate to say this about our mothers, but our moms could have been just a woman our pops wanted to knock off.
Yeah.
So he knocked her off raw. She tell him she pregnant. He ran. So now the key is when he runs, right? He's never there for the bonding process that, you know, whether it's spiritual and it's physical. So since he break that biological bond, he doesn't have a biological attachment to his own child. So like if you died, he never developed a spiritual connection to where he would even feel it. Because in nature you sense things. So like your father should see you at the barbershop and sense that you his son.
Like I said, I'm quite sure he knew he was more or less embarrassed. If you seen him, you gonna know that's my pops. Like all the years, you know what I'm saying? You can be in China and see this motherfucker. You gonna know. You gonna know that. You gonna be like, damn. Man, that got to be.
But when you break that bond, and we see young guys do it all the time. Like, oh, you know, I got such and such pregnant. They'll tell you who they got pregnant, but they'll tell you how much they ain't went and checked on her too. And they do that on purpose because if you around, you're going to develop an attachment to that unborn child. You're going to want to see that whole process all the way through. And you don't even have to be educated to be there. Nature would kick in and you'll just be a father just naturally.
My oldest boy, I'd have seen about 8, 9, 10 times in life. And he was living in Columbus. I went to Chipotle in February. As far as I knew, he still lived in Columbus. So I see a dude. I'm behind him, a dude and a girl. I said, man, I look like my son.